I'm going to show you my best tips on how to make your meals taste better. What's up everyone? My name is Brianna, but you can call me Bri. I'm a personal trainer and a nutrition coach with a passion for bodybuilding. Now, as human beings, we tend to eat with our eyes first. We want to look at a meal and we want it to look visually appealing. We want to have different textures and we want it to fill up the entire plate, especially if we have built up a big and good appetite. For that reason, it is really important to find quick ways to make our meals look and taste better. So, let's head to the grocery store and let's pick up some things. Charlie, let's go. He needed a treat for this. He wasn't gonna do it for free. Let's go. I have a few staples that I go for whenever I want to add flavor and color to my meals. They are based off of my personal preferences. You can have different ones. For me, those are parsley, cilantro, shallots, garlic, chives, ginger, onion. Those tend to be the things that make me happier with my meals. Now today I wasn't able to find shallots or scallions at the grocery store, so what we were able to pick up was limes, chives, parsley, dill, big fan of dill, and ginger. Everything else I have at home so I can show you my quick and fun tips. Fresh herbs have amazing health benefits. They tend to add not only flavor and color, but micronutrients to our meals. It is really important to provide our bodies with as much micronutrients as possible. So why not make use of all these fresh herbs at the grocery store without actually needing to be a professional chef and add them on to our meals? If there's one thing that I live by when it comes to meal prep is the term simple is king. What does that mean? When I prepare the go-to foods from my meal plan, I like preparing them as simple as possible and in bulk. That way, every single time I assemble a meal, whether it's a freshly assembled one or something that I've already assembled in a container, I can add different seasonings, different flavors to my meals. That way, my taste buds get to experience more variety. Our taste buds as humans do enjoy variety, and there's no reason why we can't get that variety in a healthy way. Now, whenever I am short on time, what I like doing is grabbing a fresh herb or two and just chopping it finely on a wooden board. Now, don't judge my chopping skills. I am not a professional chef. Finally, grab an airtight container and put a paper towel inside the airtight container. What the paper towel does is that it absorbs the moisture as you store everything into your fridge. Then I throw fresh herbs on top, kind of like mix them up a little bit, and then there you go, put it in the fridge. Now, if I have 10 extra minutes, normally I would try to make a sauce of some kind. Today I've made 2 different sauces. I'll have the ingredients and recipes, let's call them recipes, in the description box below. But what I normally would do is I would grab whatever ingredients I have found at the grocery store, add some vinegar or some lime, some salt, some red pepper flakes. I love spicy food. Just blend them all together, put them again in an airtight container and store it in the fridge. Now, just be careful, guys, because all of these things don't have any preservatives in them. They are very fresh, so they do tend to go bad fairly quickly. So don't prepare a big jar of a sauce, which is going to be super delicious the first 4 or 5 days of you preparing it. Store it in the fridge and then it might go bad. If you freeze them and then you're able to use them for longer, please leave me a comment below and let me know how that has worked out for you. I'm very curious about it. But for the rest, just be mindful. Prepare smaller amounts. You want them fresh, and make sure to finish them within the week. In the case of your chopped veggies, you actually do want to finish those within 4 to 5 days, because although you have added the paper towel to absorb moisture, and you can add a second one if you want to on top, it still might not be enough. And those are my tips for making sure that your meals taste and look more appealing, as well as adding fresh nutrients to every single meal that you are having. Now, it takes a little bit of time getting used to eating meal prep. I know not everybody loves eating foods that have been cooked 1, 2, 3 days ago, but if you use these tips, I can guarantee you that your meals are going to be a lot more palatable and a lot more enjoyable. Give it some time, try them out, let me know how you like those. And if you enjoy content just like this, more nutrition, more fitness, the occasional corgi appearance, he's still kind of camera shy, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I release a video. Leave me a comment below with anything you'd like to see on my channel, and make sure to head on to Instagram and TikTok. I'm releasing more regular content over there. Fresh herbs. Blah, blah, blah. Oh my God, I can do this today. Obviously, he wasn't going, and a second one. For that reason, it is really important. Blah, blah, blah. If you use these tips, I can guarantee you that your meals are going to be a lot more palatable.
Perfectly palatable. Palatable.
And those, okay, let me wait for that second.